We asked people what materials they think are most hygienic. Now, there was nothing scientific about this question. It was purely based on their perception of all of these different materials and what they felt was going to hold more germs or not, as the case may be. I'm not here to obviously debate the science on germs on any of these elements. But what was interesting is we asked the question, would the finish or the material in a certain workplace setting impact on how comfortable you felt using that particular space? And 69% of people said yes, it would. So even without any of that data and evidence there, they would make a snapshot judgment, which kind of says there's something quite important about perhaps looking at the cleaning and hygiene regime that you have on certain materials and perhaps reassuring people of how they are being managed. As far as actual products, though, we noted that the most common finish that people would like to see on the floors has moved away from carpet. It's actually moved to vinyl flooring. And of all of the images that they got to choose from, it was quite consistently choosing wooden plank flooring rather than any of the other products.